In this video, I will show you how to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows. To get started, locate the Windows icon on your taskbar. Click on that icon, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up a new window with several options available. In the Settings window, look at the left side where you'll see a list of categories. Click on Accessibility to proceed. Once inside Accessibility Settings, scroll down until you reach the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find various options related to different accessibility features. Look for Keyboard and click on it. Among these options is the on-screen keyboard. To enable it, simply toggle on the switch next to this option. Once activated, an on-screen keyboard will appear that you can use just like any regular keyboard. This virtual keyboard allows for easy typing without needing a physical one. It's especially useful if you're experiencing issues with your hardware keyboard or if you're using a touchscreen device. There's also another straightforward way to access the on-screen keyboard without navigating through multiple menus. Simply click on the Windows icon again and start typing on-screen keyboard into the search bar. As you type, you'll see on-screen keyboard pop up in your search results. Click on it to launch this handy tool instantly. For those who prefer even quicker access, there's a nifty shortcut available. Just press Windows key plus Control plus O simultaneously. This command will instantly toggle the on-screen keyboard on or off as needed. And there you have it, 3 simple ways to enable or disable the on-screen keyboard in Windows. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.